when I was just told that I need to build a bot, I was imagining some kind of a system with a green screen where I had to code things and write weird letters and numbers, and then I actually got this system where it just made sense. It was just like boxes, and I just had to put in statements and write a question and then connect it. And of course, in the beginning, I needed help, no doubt about it. And I called Michael 10 times a day, and but then you just know how to do it, and then it's not that difficult. And the more you work with it, it just makes sense. And if you make a pause for a couple of weeks and you start it up again, you're like, oh, how did I do this? And then it just comes again. It's like riding a bicycle, actually.